Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I'm in the house with the Acedc Gamer Clicker. It's a beautiful fidget toy. We're going to check it out in a second, and we're going to analyze the look, the sound, and the feel of this bad boy. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you are enjoying this kind of content right over here. Would you look at this? This is a nice one, comes like vacuum sealed in this plastic bag, and that's your toy. And of course you've got your plastic pelican case kind of thing, which is a little bit on the flimsy side, but it's at the same time pretty good to have something like this to protect if you want to carry it around. It's going to be a little bit cumbersome. Maybe a pouch is going to be better, but anyways, this is the Gamer from Acedc, and this is the clicker version, because of course it clicks and rotates and clicks and rotates together. It's fantastic, guys. It's very simple at the same time. This is like it resembles the Game Boy pad. Of course, it's made in zirconium, so it's blasted zirc. It has a very, very cool look. Super simple cross right over here, and you can see you can press each 4 of the sides. You can also press it in the center. And it's beautiful. It's super simple, and of course this is a haptic coin, as you can see. You can open it up, and you have like your roller bearings around. You have your magnets, and you have this mobile magnet in the center to keep your thing together. And you can just either use it as a haptic coin or just as a clicker. So very, very interesting one. Let's just check how big this guy is. Diameter is going to be 1.55 inches. Let's see, like the lowest height is going to be 0.4, but if we consider the buttons, it's going to be 0.54 inches. So it's a great size. I mean, this guy can fit in the pocket, in any bag, in any little pouch. I mean, it's EDC size. It's perfect. I mean, you don't have any excuses. The only excuse you can have is that people told you to stop annoying them, because I mean, this can drive somebody crazy, like pretty quick, I think, but it's fantastic. You can also do, if you don't want to be loud like that, you can also be discreet. And you see, applying the right amount of pressure, you can have this toy not being that obnoxious, and still you can enjoy it. You're gonna be, yeah, a little bit discreet, you're gonna be quieter, but still you can enjoy this guy very much. From the look perspective, this is like very simple circle, symmetric. There's 3 layers, but you can only open for 2. These 2 are screwed because there's the clicking mechanism underneath that. Blasted zirc looks fantastic. Super simple construction, very simple and elegant look. The sound, yeah, can be loud. The clicking, the haptic, it's very nice. I like the fact that you can, as you spin, you can click and create like some pretty cool noise out of it. And at the same time, you're gonna have the touch, the feel experience, because these toys are like checking all the boxes for me, like the look, the sound, and the feel. Look is great, sound is gorgeous, and the feel, it's also really, really good, because you have this haptic feedback from the magnets on the inside that are transmitting to the neurons in your head, which are hitting your brain cells with some nicely rewarding dopamine. I believe that's what's going on, and it's so satisfactory, because the touch, the feel, it's fantastic. The sound, the acoustic, the noise is just beautiful, and looks great. I mean, just by looking at it, it's fine. You can even use it as a worry stone because of the texture, just by rubbing it like that, or like here on the bottom part. It's just works. Super simple, really effective. I just want to show you this guy up against a couple of options you might be familiar with. This is the Black Mirror design dial. Another popular option is the EDC Lung. This is the bulletproof shield. Let me show you what this guy, that's the Maki. It's another haptic coin. Maybe you're familiar with this Muji. That's the capsule spinner. Fantastic one, absolutely gorgeous. Maybe you have a Lauti. That's the Rook from the chess pieces. So yeah, I mean, what can I show you? This guy here, that's the guy one also from Muji. Fantastic spinner, guys. Stay tuned for the review on this one. And yeah, I'm just gonna show you the Lauti Sam, and why not? Because we have it here in the house. That's the Zirc gamer slider. But yeah, I mean, it's a really cool toy. I would also want to check out the weight, because it's fantastic. Like, it's the feel on this guy is just top notch. Look at that, 2.99 ounce, 99 ounces. So around 3 ounces for this guy is just spectacular. In the pocket, you're gonna love it. You feel it. Yeah, it's not like it's not gonna disappear by any means, but you're gonna be happy because you can just play with it. You can look at it. It's gonna look good. You can play with it. It's gonna sound nicely, and of course, you can just feel it because that's a big chunk on the for this toy. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.